Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn, in addition to the FreeCAD sketching, also about the application of FreeCAD Revolution tool. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. These are the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. In step 1, we sketch half of the cup section without the handle and create a solid part with the help of the Revolution tool. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XZ plane. First, create roughly the shape of the profile and then dimension it later. Next, assign the dimensions. Now, create the two circles with the radius of 10 and 20 millimeters. Constrain the new circle tangential to the line and the circle. Next, remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Now select the sketch and activate the Revolution tool and then select the rotation axis. Let us add a fillet to the lower edge. Next, activate the Thickness tool and select the face to remove and then set the thickness parameter. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 2, we sketch the handle profile on XZ plane and we create a solid part, again with the help of the Revolution tool. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XZ plane. Next, extract the reference edges and curves. Sketch to lines with a distance of 5 millimeters and parallel to each other. Convert the second line to construction line. Sketch a circle with a diameter of 20 millimeters. Constrain this new circle tangential to the curve and the line. Next, remove unnecessary edges and curves with the trim tool. As you see, the sketch is full constrained. Now select the outer sketch and activate the Revolution tool. Next, set the angle to 10 degrees and then select the option Symmetry to Plane. As you see, the 3D solid part is finalized. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.